Hey guys, Steve Lamb here at St.Albert Dodge with this 2022 Chrysler Pacifica. This is the touring model with the S Appearance package, so it's got a couple things here and there to make it more sporty. This one comes equipped with the 3.6 liter V6 Pentastar, which is really good on fuel, tried, tested, and true. Just looking at the front of this, we have the all-new front fascia, which is a lot more sleek and aggressive looking. We have LED daytime running lights, low beams, high beams. We have this beautiful black grille, which comes down to the bottom of this bumper on the fascia, which is very, very nice and aggressive looking. So it's got no chrome, which I love because, I don't know, chrome's kind of gone to the way of the dodo and it doesn't look as nice as time progresses. So everything's got the nice black finish that goes really great with the white color. We got the signal side mirrors, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic, stops you from backing up and hitting people. Walking around to the side, we do have keyless entry, push to start. You keep the keys in your pocket the whole time. Power doors on both sides as well, and the lift gate, so you just press the button twice or press this button here and it'll automatically open and fully close for you as well. So that's a little bit more convenient and takes away all the effort that you have to put into it. But coming around to the back, we do have tinted glass on the back sides and the back as well for that extra premium look, keeps the UV rays out and the sunlight out. Coming around to the back, we do have the nice LED taillights as well to match with the front. They look really great at night. We got a high definition backup camera. Parking sensors on the rear too, proximity parking sensors, so they'll beep quicker as you're approaching so you don't run over your kids' bicycles or whatever's laying on the driveway. We do have a power lift gate as well that you can just open using that or the key or the button up front. This vehicle does have the stow and go and is capable of seating up to 7 people, but join us in the next video where we'll show you the interior. Hey guys, just joining me back here with this 2022 Chrysler Pacifica. This one comes with a black interior with the black headrest, which is awesome. Keeps everything nice and tidy for years to come, and you won't get any fingerprints on the headliner and stuff like that. This one does have the stow and go, just like the traditional vans from the past. So all these seats fold into the floor, so it's a complete flat bed when you fold all the seats into the floor for extra storage. If you want to go down to IKEA or wherever to Best Buy and buy a gigantic TV or a big mirror, you can without calling your buddy to get a truck, which is nice. And it also has the tilt-up seats to access the back pretty easily. Also, if you need storage as well and you don't want to fold the seats down to the back, these do fold down flat as well, which is a nice touch. Also, there is USB-C and USB connectors here on both sides and in the back as well for your rear passengers. And if you look up top on that side, there's also an independent HVAC controller for the passengers in the back, but it can be overridden with the master controls in the front. But yeah, let's go check out the front, guys. Hey guys, just sitting in the cockpit of this Chrysler Pacifica, the touring model. So we have the new 10.1 inch screen that's all new for 2022. You get a bigger screen, faster computer, faster processing power, better graphics, and you also get the all-new Uconnect 5 system interface, which has Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, but it's completely wireless now. You don't need to use your wires to connect to it. It's really convenient for sure. Looking down here, you have your USB and your USB-C connectors and auxiliary connectors as well if you want to use them and charge your phones and stuff. And these are all updated, so they have the fast chargers as well built in. 12-volt cigarette plug lighter connector for your radar detectors and whatever you got there to plug in. Tons of room for storage, cup holders, lots of compartments here just for all your stuff. We have cruise control on the steering wheel. This model here has the intelligent cruise control, so you can set your distances and it'll slow down for you and speed up for you up to speed when a car moves forward or slows down. So it's kind of self-driving, which is nice for the highways. Bluetooth steering wheel controls for your phone. You can hang up, use, the neat thing with Uconnect 5 is you can actually use Siri on your Apple phone through the steering wheel. So you can ask, hey, where's McDonald's or where's KFC? It'll tell you exactly where the closest one is and what time it actually closes, and it'll shoot everything to the screen, and you can use Google Maps on here as well. Very nice touch. It's got the HomeLink garage door openers, like most premium vehicles would, sunglass holder, and you have all your buttons up here, which is nice. This button here opens the left sliding door, right, and then this one's the right sliding door, and then there's the trunk button as well, and you can open and close them without even getting out of the driver's seat, which is nice if you're dropping off the kids. There's quite a bit of features on this unit that I'd love to show you, but we don't have that much time, so maybe come down, give us a shout on our number, and I'd be more than happy to show you. Our number is 780-458-8660, or come down to our store. The address is 1155 St. Albert Trail. We're 1 block north of Costco. Thanks, guys.